Hey guys, I want to show you guys something a little bit different today. Usually I'll show you guys collectibles and model kits and some electronics, some electronic devices. The most recent ones that come to mind is I showed you the external hard drive. I had shown you, I had also done an unboxing on the Alienware, the Area 51 laptop that I had gotten. Today, I want to do an unboxing rather for something to show you guys something new. It's actually a phone. I've been doing all my videos, I've been using the iPhone 6s Plus, and I've had it for a long time, 124, I think, gigabytes. But I've been having problems because it just keeps going out of focus. So I kept going, gee, I wonder, I put Windex, I washed the lens, and it keeps going out of focus on a lot of videos that I make for you guys. And I had gotten the really good software, the CyberLink Power Director, and that wasn't cheap. And I'm able to do a lot of it in high definition, and I want to make sure you guys get the best video possible. So I decided to upgrade. So what did I get? I got a new phone. Instead of getting a new video camera that I would use just for videos and that's it, I figured, well, if I get a new phone, it'll have some really nice cameras on it, state of the art. I'll be able to use it for videos, photographs, and, other stuff. So that's what I decided to do. And to make a long story short, I want to show you today, I want to do an unboxing. Fresh from the Apple Store. And I'll tell you, I just ordered this a little while ago. Depending where you live, when you order the iPhone, you can actually have them delivered to your house for like $9 the same day. And I got it like literally a couple of hours after I ordered this online. You can even go on the checkout. You can even try to get the credit, the Apple Card. That's what I ended up doing. I ended up getting the Apple Card. Let me show you guys what I got. I got the iPhone. This is the iPhone 12. And because I had the iPhone 6 for a long time, the one I'm filming on right now, by the way, the 6s Plus, and it's really been a great phone. The only complaint I got is the lens. The focus goes out of, it goes out of focus every once in a while, and that was really aggravating because I'd have to stop the video. So I got the iPhone 12. This is the 12 Pro Max. And I believe this is 512 gigabytes. So, let me show you guys what this is all about. So let's take it over to the desk, and I'll show you guys what it comes with. Alright, so it feels like it's embossed on top, and it's all wrapped in plastic. And you see a little arrow right here. I don't know if you can see that. So we pull this off. Oh, nice. This is kind of a plastic shield. So what I'll do is I'll leave that. And what I'll do is I'll go over to the front. And it kind of comes right off. So let's put that there. You guys can look at that in the back. Oh, wow. I'll tell you, the whole reason I got this was for the camera. And look at that, man. It's got 3 lenses. Now, I don't know why I would need 3 lenses, but I'll tell you what. When I'm doing a video and I'm showing you some Titanic, authentic stuff, and I want to be able to show you every detail, I'm pretty sure this is going to be able to do it. So let me show you what's in this box. What does this come with? Well, like I said, this is the iPhone 12, and this is the Pro Plus. Let me take off the screen for you. You can see it's See, I'm not used to having no home button, so that's kind of weird for me. But I ended up ordering the biggest one, the 512 gigabytes, and I love the blue, like the ocean, the deep ocean blue. And you can see that's where you charge it, and the two speakers. And you've got the volume buttons, and this is the silence, and this is the in cahoots with the power button. Now, since there's no home button like I'm used to, I'm not sure how to put it on, so I'll put that on and put it on in a minute. All right, what does it come with? Let's see. It comes with a charging cord. It looks like the same cord that I use for my 6S Plus. And what's this? Oh, this is for the SIM card, because I refused to buy a contract. So what I did was I charged this. I ended up getting the Apple card, and I'll put my SIM card in. Gee, and that's it. I mean, for the price of this, all total, that's it. That's all that it comes with. It doesn't even come with a cube anymore. When I got my iPhone 6S Plus, it came with the charger, it came with the cube to plug it into, it came with headphones for the phone, and this comes with nothing except a charging cord. You have to use or buy your own cube. And it only has this because I have the SIM card that I need to swap out and change. So that's the only reason that's there. And it's got an Apple sticker. And all total, this phone was about $1,400. Now, because I got the credit, I got 2 years to pay it. So it's not too bad. It's about $58 a month. And if I can improve the quality of my videos, then it'll be worth it. So let's see. How do I put this on? I'll try pushing the button. Oh, there we go. And you know, on the other phone, I even got a manual. There's not even any manual with this. It's a really nice phone, though. Pretty hefty. And I'm sorry I can't do a I can't do a side-by-side comparison because I'm filming on my my iPhone 6S Plus right now. Okay. How do we get right? I don't know how to find the home button. And that puts it back off. Oh, it's up and down. I'm sorry, guys. I'm an idiot. I was going side to side. The new phone wants you to swipe up and down. So let's go English all the way down. What is a lot of countries? United States. Let's do setup manually, and I'm going to put my network on. I don't know how much I'll be able to show you guys. The accessibility, touch, the keyboard, the motion, the text size, zoom over. Bring your current iPhone or pad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options or setting on this phone, make sure it's running. Oh wow! I mean, I can just put this next to my phone and everything will transfer. Because I backed up my old phone to iCloud, but well, guys, I was hoping to give you a little more than that because I don't want to put my all my stuff, you know, on the internet. But I wanted to show you guys what it came with. So this one that I got was unlocked. It doesn't have a contract. So I got a tool for the SIM. And what you do with that is you go right down, and it's around here somewhere. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You push it in, the drawer opens, and that's where the SIM card goes. And again, I like the SIM card because we do the AT&T pay-as-you-go. And I refuse to get locked into a contract. So guys, this is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, the 512 gigabytes. I wanted to show you guys, do a quick video on showing you what was in it. I wish I could set it up for you, but I don't want to put my personal information over the internet, and I think I just have to sign in. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you were wondering about this phone, I hope it satisfied your curiosity as to what it came with. And I'll be making another video real soon. Talk to you soon.